babies? It's your girl Qui, and I am back with another video. Y'all saw by the title, I'm about to be showing y'all how to install this Bob wig that I got from Hairvivi. Y'all, the wig already come bleached, which is a plus, y'all. I love when the wigs come bleached already, because like you ain't gotta sit there and try to sit here and bleach the hair all day long. Like, I'm so glad it come bleached, and it's a side part already, so it's gonna be a quick install. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all this lace up front. Y'all look at that lace. I hope it ain't blurry, but y'all, that lace looks so good. Look, your lace looks so good. No knots. You can't even see the knots or nothing. Like, the knot's not big at all. It's perfect for an install. Okay, so here's the box. I'm gonna show y'all what's coming in it. What they sent me? They sent me some mascara. Some mascara. I got some mascara. Some hair clips. I'm gonna put them right there because your girl need those hair clips. And they got me a edge brush, which gonna come in handy. And it's just a little card on how to manage your hair, just in case you don't know, you don't know how to manage it. So yeah, so I'm about to sit here and I'm gonna install this hair. So make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all leave comments down below. Make sure y'all check out Hairvivi in the comments down below. So with that being said, let's just get started on this install. Y'all, I'm gonna take my time. And your girl just gonna install this wig. I might just keep this wig up until my birthday. I don't know, it just depends on how I'm feeling. But I'm about to go grab my my hair glue, because I do want to use another type of glue, because I was gonna use the Got to Be spray, but I want to use my my glue by Erica J. So I'm about to go grab that, and I'm gonna get this wig off, and I'm gonna get right into this video.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, you guys, so I am done with the hair from Hairvivi. It came out super dope, y'all. Absolutely love it. This is the back of the bob. Super cute. So I want to thank Hairvivi once again for sending over this bomb quality wig. Y'all, the lace was so fire. It was so easy to install. It was no long install. Like, the install was quick. Okay, like, it's giving straight scalp, y'all. Like, straight scalp, and I absolutely love it. I haven't had a bob in forever, so I was just like, getting this bob was so time consuming because your girl haven't had a bob in so long. I'm gonna show y'all the back once again. It's the bob for me. It's the bob for me. I love it. So make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all check out Hairvivi in the description box down below. And you know, y'all gotta purchase this wig, hunty, because like, it's the bomb and it's on period. So I'm done talking. I'm gonna get a quick b-roll so y'all can see, and it's gonna be dead on that. So if y'all want to see more, make sure y'all follow me on the gram, or y'all can just, you know, watch the video.